Hello everyone, welcome to Oracle Installation on Linux. In this tutorial, we will discuss about ASM Configuration Assistant. The topics of this video content is creating disk group for a fast recovery area. So let's go. Let's open the mobile extreme. This is mobile extreme professional. Here the session, just click on it. Here SS is protocol. Here we need to give the IP 192.168.1.10 and a specified user. Here we need to go with the grid user. So this is the grid session. So we need to give the password. This is wrong password actually. GRID grid. Okay, this is the grid and this is the extra mobile extreme session creation. If you don't have, you must have to create a new session by using grid user. So you need to write here ASMCA automatic storage management configuration assistant. After hitting on enter key, it will take a few moments to open the graphical interface. Here the Oracle Configuration Assistant window. And after that, here need to create a disk group. So just click on disk group and create. And the name of disk group FRA fast recovery area. Then external. And after that, check the location and then OK. Creating the disk group FRA. It will take a few moments. Our disk group created successfully. Now we have to disk group data and FRA.